Installing a weatherproof electrical outlet on the outside of your home will reduce the need for extension cords and make it easier to use power tools and add holiday lighting. Like all electrical work, you must follow safety precautions and comply with building codes, so be sure to hire a licensed electrician. The first step is to determine how to get power to the new receptacle. You could tap into an existing interior outlet or connect to a junction box. But for this installation, we're going to run a new 20 amp dedicated circuit from the electrical panel. You may need to drill through walls to run the wires from the electrical panel to the new receptacle. It looks like you went through, right?
Yep. Kevin, why don't you run upstairs and push us a fish wire down and we'll get this in there.
All right, here comes Keith. There we go.
Right there, hold it.
Yeah,
okay,
all right.
I got it. Now give me a minute, I'm gonna tie the wire to it and you can pull it up. You can pull it up now, Kevin.
All right, I got it. If the cable is being run outdoors, use conduit to protect it from the elements. Thread the cable into an electrical box rated for outdoor use and use waterproof connectors to secure the conduit to the box. Attach the electrical box to the exterior wall using the appropriate fasteners. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Nice. Remove the sheathing from the cable, and if the box is metal, connect the bare copper ground wire to the grounding screw on the box. As a safety precaution, all outdoor outlets must use weather-resistant GFCI receptacles. If the circuit ever gets wet, the breaker in the receptacle will trip. Connect the bare copper wire to the green ground screw on the outlet. Then connect the white neutral wire to the silver screw. Finally, connect the black hot wire to the black or brass colored screw. Screw the outlet to the box, attach the weather-tight faceplate, and that's going to compress the rest of that gasket nice and tight, and snap on the cover. We are in business out here. What are we going to do, make the connection back in the box?
That's what we've got to do next.
Let's go. Turn off the power before doing any work in the electrical panel. Then run the other end of the cable through a knockout and secure it with a cable connector. All right, so that wire is secure to the box. That's not going anywhere. Connect the ground and white neutral wires to the bus bars on the panel. The last step is to install a new circuit breaker, and now the wire.
Now the wire to it.
And connect the black hot wire. All right, that means we've got ourselves a new dedicated 20 amp outlet that is waterproof out on the back deck.
That's exactly what we've got.
Installing an outdoor outlet is a lot safer and more convenient than running an extension cord. So consider it anywhere you need a little extra power.